Want to speak English faster? Then you need these 100 basic words. Repeat after me, we will practice together, and by the end, you will sound more confident. Ready? So let's go. So before going to start our video, I will tell that these words are used every day by native speakers, and after this video, you will too. First, grab a notebook and let's start with the most important word. So, without any time wasting, let's start our video. Here are commonly searched daily used English words. The first one is hello, hey for basic greetings. Thank you, thanks for expressing gratitude. Sorry, apologize for asking forgiveness. Please, polite request. Goodbye and bye for farewell. Yes or no for a basic agreement. How are you? This is a common question that we can ask. What we use what for asking and repetition and also for clarification. Why asking for a reason? When we use asking about time. Here we use asking about place. Who we use asking about a person. How we use asking about manner and method. Help we use requesting and assistance. Money we use for currency and cash. Food for meals, eatable items, water basic necessity. Time is for hours, minutes, day and night for parts of the day. Work job is for employment. So here are the English words with meaning and example that we have read before. So here are the meanings and also examples. So let's get started. The first one is hello and hi. This is the meaning, a greeting used when meet someone. Example, hello, how are you today? And number two is thank you, thanks. Meaning is expression of gratitude. Example, thank you for your help. The third one is sorry, meaning an apology or expression to regret. Example, I'm sorry for being late. Here are the fourth one is please. The meaning is a polite way to make a request. Example, can you please pass the salt? The number fifth is goodbye, a meaning a farewell expression when leaving. Example, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Number six is yes or no, meaning affirmation, yes or denial, no. Like example, yes, I agree with you, no, I don't like coffee. For help, we use like meaning, first of all, we look at the meaning, assistance or support. Example, can you help me with this problem? Water, meaning a clear, colorless liquid essential for life. Example, I drink water every morning. Food, meaning an nutritious substance eaten to maintain life. Example, I love Italian food. Money, meaning currency used to buy goods and services. Example, I need to save money for my trip. Number 11 is time, meaning the indefinite continued progress of existence. Example, what time is to now? Number 12, work and job, meaning an activity done to earn a living. Example, I have a lot of work to finish today. Number 13 is day and night, meaning day, the period of light between sunrise and sunset. The period of darkness between sunset and sunrise. Example, I work during the day, I sleep at night. 14 is big and small, meaning big mean large in size, small mean little in size. Example, this is a big house, she has a small dog. Number 15 is happy and sad, meaning happy means feeling joy, sad means feeling sorrow. Example of both words, the first one is happy, I am happy to see you. The second one is sad, he was sad after hearing this news. Number 16 is fast and slow, meaning fast means moving quickly, slow means moving at a low speed. Example, the car is very fast, the internet is slow today. 17 hot and cold, meaning hot mean high temperature, cold mean low temperature. Example, the tea is too hot to drink. The example of cold is it's cold outside today. 18 is easy and difficult. The 18 is easy and difficult, meaning is easy, not hard to do, difficult, hard to do. But dear viewers, these words will help you to learn English in a very easy way. Basically, these words and these sentences Include examples are very useful to learn for those who are the beginners. So the number 18 is beautiful ugly, meaning beautiful pleasing to the eye, ugly unpleasant to look at. Example: the sunset is beautiful, that old building looks ugly. Number 20 is friend, meaning a person whom knows and trusts. Example: she is my best friend. So dear viewers, here are some sentences that we use in our daily life, even at every place where we go. The first one is who are you? We use for asking about someone's well-being. Number 2, what's your name? This is also a common sentence that we use when we meet someone at first. So asking someone's name. Where are you from? Asking about origin. I don't understand, expressing confusion. Can you repeat that? Asking someone to say something again. So dear viewers, here are the common sentences that we use in our daily life. Dear viewers, to speak English fluently, you need a strong foundation for a sentinel. Vocabulary used in daily conversations. So here are categorized list of high frequency words and phrases that will help you sound more natural and confident. The first one is common greetings response. Hey, hello, how are you? Good morning, afternoon, evening. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Good morning, did you sleep well? What's up? We use in casual. Hey, what's up? How's it going? It's going well, thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. For polite expressions, we use please. Could you please help me? Thank you, thanks a lot. Sorry, I apologize. I'm sorry for the mistake. Excuse me, where is the restroom? No problem, you are welcome. No problem, happy to help. So here are the essential question words that we use for asking questions. So first one is who is your favorite singer? What are you doing? When does the movie start? Where do you live? Why are you learning English? How do you pronounce this word? For time and frequency words, these are the words that we use in adverb, and adverb describe a noun. A verb. Do parts of speech. You will also learn why we use these words in adverb and how these words explain a verb. Now I'm busy now. Later, let's talk later. Always, she always arrives early. Sometimes eat out. Never, he never lies. Here are the common verbs. This is also called action verbs. One is go. I go to work by bus. Eat. Let's eat lunch. Sleep. I sleep at 11 p.m. Work. She works in an office. Study. He studies every night. Speak. Do you speak Spanish? These are the adjectives that we use for descriptive words. Happy. I'm happy to research. He looks sad. Angry. Why are you angry? Tired. I'm tired after work. Busy. He is always busy. There are the connectors for smooth speech. The first one is and. I like tea and coffee, but I'm tired, but I will finish my work because I'm late because of traffic. So it's raining, so I'll stay home. However, I like sweets, however, I avoid them. 8 phrases for daily situations. At a restaurant, I would like to order. Could I get the bill, please? Shopping. How much does this cost? Do you have a smaller size? Asking for help. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you explain? For expressing opinions, I think, in my opinion, I agree, I disagree. When you use okay. Number 9 is slang, informal words for natural speech. Cool, that's cool. Chill, let's chill today. Awesome, your presentation was awesome, like amazing. Boring, this movie is boring. Hang out, do you want to hang out? Spanish time together. Spend time together. We use hang out. Do you want to hang out with me? Dear viewers, here are the practice tips for fluency. Learn phrases, not just word like how is it going instead of just how. Listen and repeat YouTube, podcast, movies. Think in English. Avoid translating from your native language. Speak daily, even if just to yourself. Stop practicing with me today. Now I challenge you, use at least 3 of these words in real conversations this week. Comment below and tell me which words you will try first. And if you learn something new, give this video a share it with a friend and subscribe for more English lessons. Remember, even 5 minutes a day make a big difference. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.